In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run the Aged Receivables Report on Xero, a crucial feature for keeping track of outstanding invoices and managing your business's cash flow effectively. Whether you're new to Xero or just brushing up on your skills, this guide will help you navigate through the process seamlessly and ensure you get the most accurate financial information available. Let's begin by locating the reporting section. Once you're logged into Xero, move your attention to the top bar of your dashboard. Here, you'll see an option labeled Reporting. This is where Xero consolidates all its reporting tools, allowing you to generate a variety of financial insights necessary for managing your business operations efficiently. By clicking on Reporting, you'll access a comprehensive list of reports. Next, you'll want to select All Reports. This option is crucial because it provides a full listing of the kinds of financial reports Xero generates, categorized to help you find what you need without hassle. From here, you can explore multiple financial dimensions, but today, our focus is specifically on aged receivables. Now, it's time to find the report of interest. In this list, look for either Aged Receivables Detail or Aged Receivables Summary. Both options serve the purpose of breaking down your outstanding invoices. The Aged Receivables Detail provides a more granular view, which includes individual invoices, while the Aged Receivables Summary offers a broader overview, summing up outstanding amounts by customer. Deciding which report to use depends on whether you need detailed insight or you're looking for a summary to present to stakeholders or partners. Once you've located the report you want, simply click on it. At this point, Xero will generate and display the report for you. It's really that simple. Now you can review your unpaid invoices, categorized by aging periods, such as 30, 60, or 90 days past due. This allows you to get a clear view of which customers owe you money and for how long, providing an opportunity to follow up on overdue invoices and improve your cash flow. And there you go. You've successfully run the Aged Receivables Report in Xero. This report is a valuable tool for keeping your accounts in check and ensuring that your business maintains healthy financial practices. Remember, regular monitoring of your receivables is key to maintaining good financial hygiene and planning for the future. With just a few clicks, you have accessed critical information that will aid your decision-making and potentially save your business time and resources. Keep accessing these reports regularly to stay on top of your finances and avoid surprises down the road. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Xero experience.